Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says in which type of isolation two species living in different habitat are prevented from interbreeding. That means ये question क्या पूछा है? Two in in which type of isolation? This is a type of isolation, and in this type of isolation, two species they are living in different habitat and they are prevented from the interbreeding. So what is that? What is that term? We know that. So उसको क्या बोलते हैं? So जो जिसको क्या बोलते हैं इकोलॉजिकल आइसोलेशन. So this is known as the ecological isolation. So what is ecological isolation? It is a type of reproductive isolation. It is a type of reproductive isolation in which the mating is prevented because of the separation of the species. So in this case the mating is prevented because of the separation of the species, resulting from the difference in their habitat, resulting from the difference in their habitat. So this is usually occurs when the species are used to different habitat type. So this is the method ecological isolation. This is usually occur when the species are used to different habitat, are used to different habitat type, or different part of the same habitat, or different parts of same habitat. And even if the geographical range of two species overlap, if even the geographical range of two species overlaps, then the difference in their ecological need and breeding requirement is enough. That means the ecological need and breeding requirements, this is enough to isolate them from each other. So what is the correct answer? That is option number B, that is ecological isolation. Then what is temporal and behavioral? So let's see what is temporal. So the temporal isolation, this is a type of reproductive isolation. Temporal isolation is a reproductive isolation mechanism among the sexual organism in which the different in the timing of their critical reproductive event. So that means the sexual organism in which the difference in the time, difference in their timing of their critical reproductive event, this is closely related to the species. So this is the temporal. Then what is behavioral? So the behavioral isolation refers to the presence or absence of species behavior. This refers to presence or absence of species behavior that prevent the reproductive between the two species taking place. So this is their behavioral. So which one of the following is correct answer? That is option number B is correct answer of this question. I hope you understood it. Best of luck.